Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing and demoing the HIMI 5-piece brush set. Let's jump right in and see what's inside. As we open the box, we can see that the brushes are neatly packed and well protected. These brushes have a sleek design and feel comfortable in hand. Let's take a closer look at each one. First up is the brush size of 10. It's a large round brush with a fine tip. It offers excellent control and precision. It is ideal for detail work and fine lines, and it's great for outlining fine details in illustrations and adding intricate textures to your artwork. The HIMI brushes are made with high quality synthetic bristles that are very soft yet durable. They hold paint well and maintain their shape after multiple uses. Plus, they are so easy to clean. Next on line is the brush size of 10, which is slightly larger than the previous one we saw. This brush has a fine point. It's perfect balance between precision and coverage. It's best for medium to fine details and delicate strokes. It's ideal for painting small to medium size elements like leaves, flowers, or any intricate patterns. Now moving on to brush size 6. It is a smaller round brush with a fine tip and a moderate size. It offers great control for both detail and broader strokes. It's an excellent brush for detail work such as painting small facial features or fine lines. It's perfect for control washes and blending small areas of color. Next is the brush size 8, which is a round brush with a slightly larger size than the 6. It provides flexibility for both fine detailing and broader strokes. It's ideal for medium detail work, shading, and adding textures. It's perfect for painting medium-sized elements and blending small to medium areas. Finally, let's take a look at the brush size 15. Which is a large round brush with a fine tip. It offers good coverage while still maintaining precision. It's great for larger, more detailed work like painting intricate patterns or adding textures to larger surfaces. It's ideal for shading, blending, and painting larger areas with precision. So as you can see, the HIMI 5-piece brush set is perfect for a variety of techniques. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile brush set, the HIMI 5-piece brush set is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.